guys, na-flip ko na siya using this. So, we will try to put it back again. And then, continue for 5 minutes. On how to open it, you will press this one. Actually, this is 5.5 liter capacity. So, malaki siya. Parang siya ata yung pinakamalaki. And, dito sa ilalim, yung dito na. So, kung lilinisin mo siya, may another button dito. Press mo lang. Tapos, so, for example, yung mga fats ng meat or mga juices niya. Ito ang nag-serve as touch basin. You can wash it this as well. At ito, para linisin. To remove the grease, the existing meat. And kung babalik mo is just like that. Ayan. Tapos dito, kung may existing or may mga juices, pwede din mo siya i-wipe. But don't wash this one. Pero, before mo siya lilinisin, be sure to cool it off at remove the or unplug the air fryer. Tapos, dapat hindi na siya mainit. Pinili namin to 5.5 kasi malaki ang capacity niya. So, kung maramihan yung lulutuin mo, okay siya. Then, yung plug niya is like this. And, so, kailangan natin ng ganito. Let's try this one. Turn it on. Yun. Umiilaw siya. Then, there are lots of indications here kung anong lulutuin mo. So, this one is French fries. It's 15 to 20 minutes and 200 degrees Celsius. Ito, bacon. 20 to 25 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Shrimp is 15 to 20 minutes in 160 degrees Celsius. Then kung magbe-bake ka, like cupcakes, macarons, puto, at iba pa, it will be 20 to 30 minutes in 160 degrees Celsius. Tapos kung chicken, 20 to 25 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. Tapos yung pork or beef meat is 180 degrees Celsius in 10 to 20 minutes. Tapos yung fish, 15 to 20 minutes in 160 degrees Celsius. Ito lang, kasi touchscreen to, which is the touchscreen, you just press this one. And ito is to adjust the temperature. And ito, yung sa time. Pero, ito, automatic na siya. Pag-press mo, french fries, bacon, shrimp, cupcakes, chicken, meat, beef or pork, then fish. Pero kung gusto mo na ikaw magtatan siya sa oras at saka temperature, pwede din siya. Tapos turn it off. That's all. Actually, doon mo i-press yung to turn it on. Tapos automatic siya mag-off na. Then, it has a cookbook included. Frying a bacon, honey stewed barbecue pork, frying sausage, frying eggplants, frying steamed bread, frying corn, and more. Ang nakakatuwa dito is you don't need to fry it in oil. So, for me, it is much healthier to do that way. This is the reason why binili namin is because mas healthier na siya yung food na kakainin mo because no need na ng oil. Ng kahit anong oil. And also, it has a manual. May mga manual siya kung paano linisin, kung anong potions na gagawin mo, warning, tapos paano siya lilinisin. It all indicate here. Nakalagay talaga siya dito sa manual. I'm trying to cook a fish, a bangos fish. I set it in the 15 to 20 minutes in 160 degrees Celsius. If you were going to check it, it will automatically turn off. And as you can see, diba? Yummy. Maganda talaga siya, diba? Masarap. And we will turn it back. Magko-continue lang siya. See? We will try it later. And we try to check it again, and it's 5 minutes to go. And oh my gosh, it looks delicious. We will try to flip this one before we continue. So just wait, I'm going to flip this one. So guys, na-flip ko na siya using this. So we will try to put it back again. Then continue for 5 minutes. 1 minute to go. Yay! It's done, and hihintayin lang natin na mag-turn off ng kusa. Ganyan pala, tingnan. Then it will beep. Tapos na siya. Charan. Then, see the taste. We will try the taste just here. Kuha tayo ng konting-konti. Wala akong nakuhang fork. Yung taste niya, masarap. Promise, masarap siya. Really.
Guys, and that's all for today, the unboxing of air fryer. I suggest if you want to buy an air fryer, I suggest to choose the 5.5 liters capacity. Kasi kung yung mga below that, pwede yung 5.2. Itong pinili namin is, I think ito ang pinakamalaki. Kasi kung yung mga 4 something or 3, yung space niya, maliit lang talaga. So, kung gusto mong magluluto ng maraming hand, I suggest ito talaga. And I think that's all for today. Hope nakakatulong itong unboxing na to to be able for you to decide kung gusto mo na talagang bibili ng air fryer at anong type or anong capacity yung gusto. And I suggest this one is the best. Bye!